Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your settings on your Magic Remote pointer on your LG TV. So you might find it's a little bit twitchy, it moves a little bit too quick with tiny movements here. You can change that. You can also change the size of the pointer as well. You can make it smaller or bigger. So what we need to do is we need to go into settings, so hit the gear icon here. And then we're going to go over to all settings here. Then we're going to go to General, and we're going to go to Additional Settings. Now we're going to go up to Pointer Options, and this is where you can select the pointer size. So this is the large one, and you can see now it's a lot bigger, and that's the smaller one. By default it's on the middle, but that's the small one there. You might prefer that one. And the tracking speed, you've got slow, normal and fast. By default it's on normal, but this is slow. So this makes it less, it's still plenty fast enough, but it makes it less twitchy. So you might find it better if you move over to a slower cursor. And this is the fast one here. Now you're probably wondering, can you turn it off? The answer is no, you're stuck with it. But if you were just to move your arrows here, then you can see the cursor's gone. So if it's annoying you, if you're watching a film and it comes on, you can hit up, down, left or right and it will go. And if you actually want the cursor to come and it's gone missing, just press up or down on the scroll wheel and then you will see it will come back. So arrows here removes it, up or down on the scroll wheel brings it back. So that's it. Once you've found a setting that you're happy with, you can just hit back a few times and then you're back to normal and it will remember the settings that you've just done. Thanks for watching.